Hello, thank you for joining us today. My name is Craig. I'm with D&D Instruments out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. We are coming to you today to introduce the launch of a brand new product line that we have that we're excited about. It's going to save a lot of fleets a lot of money on international trucks for 2016 and newer. Pretty much any of your trucks, the LTs, the RH, the MV, the HV, and the HX. The instrument clusters are going to come with a variety of kind of makeups on them. Some have a larger LCD or a smaller LCD. Some have a trip button, some do not. But this is really common, what you're seeing right here. A lot of cracking, a lot of damage, and as you can see, it gets kind of worse. Sometimes they're broken on the bottoms. We saw this all the time, so we redesigned the lens, and we have these available brand new now with reinforcements, and we're excited about it. Our new lenses, just like this, and you're going to see a lot of reinforcements and ribbing built in for strength and a lot of extra durability, so they should hopefully last quite a bit longer for you. Momentarily, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the installation to swap the lens on the instrument cluster. It only takes just about 2 minutes to do, and it's nice and fast, and you don't have any programming requirements whatsoever.